From an iPad or iPhone, set up an HP printer and connect it to your wireless home or business network using an iPad or iPhone. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information: an iPad or iPhone that is connected to the wireless network in which you want to connect your printer, an unboxed HP printer plugged in and powered on, an active internet connection, and the wireless network password or key if required by your network. On your iPad or iPhone, open a web browser and go to 123.hp.com. The official HP site will not charge for any services. Tap Get the App to install HP Smart from the App Store. With HP Smart installed, tap the icon to open it. The first time you open HP Smart, a welcome screen displays. Review the agreements and settings, select the checkbox to agree to the terms, and then tap Start. Tap Allow to enable notifications from HP Smart. To detect a new printer in HP Smart, the printer must be in Setup mode. Setup mode activates automatically when turning on your printer for the first time, but is only activated for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since turning on your printer, or you are unsure if your printer is in setup mode, reset the printer network settings. For printers with buttons only, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. Release the buttons to reset the network settings. For printers with an LCD or text display, navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings menu, and then select Restore Network Settings or Restore Network Defaults. With the printer in setup mode, return to HP Smart. Tap the plus sign to add your printer to HP Smart. Tap Set up a new printer. Go to your iPad or iPhone home screen and open Settings. Tap Wi-Fi, and from the list of available networks, select the HP Setup network followed by the model of your printer. Tap the notification to return to HP Smart. Verify the network shown is the one in which you want to connect the printer. If it is not the correct network, tap Change Network and choose the correct network. Enter the wireless network password or key, and then tap Done or Continue. HP Smart finds the printer, prepares it for the connection, gathers some additional information, and then finishes the connections. Reconnect your iOS device to the original Wi-Fi network. This might happen automatically on some devices. Return to HP Smart, and with the printer connected to the wireless network, tap Continue. If prompted, follow the instructions and videos to install cartridges and load paper into your printer. Don't forget to adjust the paper guides to prevent jams and skewing. With paper loaded, follow the remaining prompts to set up any available services or software. If prompted, tap OK to allow HP Smart access to photos. Your printer setup is complete. You can print documents, photos, or other items directly from HP Smart, or install the printer on your computer or other mobile device.